Poultrix is an automated technological solution focused on organizing information and documentation of production, starting from the first stage in the chain of production, parent flocks, and following through to the sale of meat products and/or table eggs. Poultrix manages poultry, breeder, layer, and turkey farms and can be used both by large integrations or smaller individual farms. Information is received from Agrologic controllers or controllers from other companies and from all complementary systems in the organization. In order to significantly improve the efficiency and profitability of the organizations, advanced technology is needed to gather large amounts of information from various production means spread out over large areas. Automatic data collection allows for more precise and reliable information, which can be used for analyzing reports. Poultrix enables the gathering of data in real time, automatically and/or manually. Data gathered from end systems can be used to alert the system, which enables the manager and farmer to follow and supervise activity at any given moment. Poultrix BI allows you, the manager and farmer, to analyze the data using various segmentation methods, graphs, and dynamic reports, thus making growth more efficient and economical. Poultrix enables farmers and managers to use its software from any internet-connected device from anywhere in the world. Poultrix technology is easy and simple. It allows you, managers and farmers, to run your organization and farms in the best, most professional, and economical manner. Using advanced BI analysis, you will be able to immediately improve your growth cycle. Poultrix. Improve your profits.